Most people consume cybersecurity content, but few actually understand security properly. You know what do they do? Actually, people just watch random videos on YouTube or other platform. I just see lots of people, they just watch on random videos on YouTube, uh, like, don't waste your time in cyber security. What you guys are wasting your time, what the fuck you guys are doing? This is the fucking things you are doing in your life. If you decided to learn cybersecurity, that what the fuck you guys are doing these fucking things? Don't watch this random kind of videos. You cannot learn cybersecurity by watching these kind of videos. If you actually want to learn, or if you decided to learn cybersecurity, then start learning, right? This is the simple game. But they are watching. It is the it's insane. It's a fucking things you are doing in your life if you guys are doing this. So they memorize tools, they copy commands, they follow tutorials without understand the architecture behind the attack. But real pen testing tester don't operate that way. They think in attack surface, they analyze trust boundaries, they map privilege relationship, and they actually understand how network collapse one misconfiguration at a time. These all kind of things, an attacker understand it properly, right? So after completing the web application penetration testing series, actually I have uploaded all playlist, actually a 47 day series of WPT I have completed. And now I'm going to start something far more advanced, far more realistic, and more dangerous. You know why I'm using this word? Welcome to the network penetration testing series. This is the NPT, which means network penetration testing. You have to have this skill, have that kind of mindset to understand network actually. So this is not a beginner playlist. If you have completed WPT, then come here. This is not a tool based hacking, and this is a definitely not clickbait cybersecurity. This series is designed to teach you how attackers separate inside enterprise networks, right? Real techniques, I'll tell you in this series. You will learn how attackers perform deep network enumeration, I actually identify exposed service and weak trust boundaries, and exploit misconfigured protocol, abuse authentication mechanism, escalate your privilege in Linux and Windows, perform lateral movement across internal and external networks, chain vulnerability into full domain compromise, and simulate real RAD teaming and attack paths. This is what I'm going to start in network penetration part. Yes, so if you guys are ready, then please, so we will work with a real world technique used in rat team operations, OSCP, which and professional pen testing engagements, internal corporate security assessments, active directory attack fundamentals and simulations, post exploitation and persistent scenarios. These all kind of things we learn. So you guys, I hope you guys are getting what I'm telling right now. You will learn how to analyze SMTP, FTP, SSH, LDAP, DNS, HTTP service, and these kind of services, password spraying and credential reuse, and these all privilege escalation using linps, winps, process injection and service abuse, lateral movement techniques, attack chaining and exploit logic, real world post exploitation methodology. So this is not about running tools. This is not about this is this is about understanding why an exploit works, or the why a configuration fails, why an attacker chosen one path over another. So this kind of things you have to understand if you truly want to understand cybersecurity. If you want to think like a red teamer, you have to have a kind of that mindset. If you want to move beyond the surface level hacking, then this series is mandatory. Absolutely, I'm telling, this series is mandatory only for you. Don't think just like you are watching that kind of videos on YouTube. These are the fucking things I'm again telling. This is the the biggest mistake you are doing in your life. I'll teach everything from fundamental to advanced exploitation. No shortcuts, no fake demonstrations, no wanted no watered down exploitation explanations. These all only real methodology, real labs, real attacker logic, right? So if you are serious about pen testing, red teaming, bug bounty, or building a real cybersecurity career, subscribe this channel. This is Vinod, as known as Cyber Cavin. You know guys very well, and yeah. I don't think about people are not subscribing me, yeah, but I don't care about it. But I know what I'm doing. I'm just contributing free content of cybersecurity. Still, you guys are not watching. This is, if you guys are learning kind of things, just watching the kind of random videos, and start any script kiddies, then this series is not for you, right? So this kind of mindset you have to have. Follow this side, do subscribe this channel, follow this series from start to finish, and don't skip the basics, because this is where professionals are forget, right? So this is network penetration testing, this is advanced security, and this is where real hacking begins. So the, yeah, so authority building, perfect for authority building, and this long term, long term career goal, if you want, if you guys are seeking, right? So and yes, throughout this journey we will be working with real world environments from platforms like Try Hack Me, Hack the Box, and these all other platforms. Not as beginners, but as professionals. You will learn how attackers actually approach networks, how exploitation chain are built step by step, how privilege escalation really works in corporate environments, and and how red teams works and think during live engagements. Every lab, every attack, or what should I tell, path, and every technique will be mapped to a real world scenario, used in pen testing, and used security assessment. This is not content for this content is not for entertainment, right? This is for 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 building your mindset. This is a training for competence. If you really want to start bug bounty, then it is completely for you. Absolutely, it is only for you. If you stay consistent, but by the end of the series, you won't just understand network pen testing. You will think like a professional attacker. You will be able to think like it, and that's all. So yeah, so actually stay ahead, uh, keep learning, keep exploring. So that was the all about today. Thank you very much. I hope you have guys all understood. I hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you very much. We'll meet next time.